Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python has become the go-to language for data scientists due to its simplicity, versatility, and the vast array of libraries available for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the most popular Python libraries used in data science along with code examples to demonstrate their capabilities. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides data structures like dataframe and series, which are ideal for handling structured data. Matplotlib is a plotting library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations in Python. It provides a matlab-like interface and supports a wide variety of plots and customization options. Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and provides a high-level interface for creating attractive and informative statistical graphics. It simplifies the process of creating complex visualizations such as heat maps, pair plots, and violin plots. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. It features various algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and more. These are just a few of the many libraries available in Python for data science. By mastering these libraries and understanding their capabilities, you can become proficient in analyzing and visualizing data, as well as building machine learning models for various tasks. Happy coding! ChatGPT